What is going on, guys? And in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail in Pixlr. So in a previous video I already said that I'm going to show you guys how I make my thumbnails, and there I also said that I will make another video on Pixlr and on HitFilm. So today I'm going to do a video on Pixlr. When you go on pixlr.com/editor, then you see this. So if you want to make a thumbnail, you just click on create a new image. Make sure to make the width on 1280 and the height on 720. And also make sure to hit transparency and then hit OK. So there you have your workspace. And the first thing you want to do is find a good background. So for that, just choose an image and save it, and then you have like a background. I'll just choose this one. So to add it into the workspace, just hit Ctrl A to select it, Ctrl C to copy it and then go back to the workspace, and then hit Ctrl V to paste it. So there you have your background. Next you can add some text. For that you just can write some text here. So I'll just write your thumbnail. Oops, I forgot the space there. Nice, okay. Then you can choose your font here. I'll choose like this one, this looks really nice. And then you can choose the color of the text. Then I'll recommend to make the size on full. You'll see why. So just hit OK. And then you have the problem that you can't change the size of the image freely. So just hit on layer and rasterize the text. And then you can click edit. Then you can freely change the size of the text, as you can see. And yeah, I'll just put it right in the middle. There you go. And yeah, then you perhaps want to add some images, and for that choose like an image. I just have like a YouTube icon, and make sure to use a transparent image. So if you don't, you'll see like these white backgrounds on that would not look really nice at the end. And yeah, for that you just have to do the same thing, Ctrl A, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. There you go. And when you have a picture you don't have to rasterize it, so you can just hit edit and hit free transform. You can just free transform that and put it wherever you want. So I'll just put it here in the corner, or I'll just rotate it a bit like this, and then I'll just put it like at a random place. I don't know. Yes. So there you have your image, and if you want you can change the layer styles. So you can add a drop shadow if you want, and when you look here you can like really see a shadow there, and you can also customize it, so you can change the size that it looks a bit different. So, and you can also do that at the text. So I didn't do it to the text, but I don't know, yeah. And if you want to save the image, just hit file and just hit save, and then just call it like whatever you want. I'll just call it like something FKN, like I don't know. And make sure to choose the format to PNG, so you get the full quality. And also make sure that the picture is not bigger than 2 megabytes, because YouTube doesn't accept thumbnails which are bigger than 2 megabytes. So here it's actually pretty fine, 151 kilobytes. So yeah, then you have your picture and just hit OK. Then you can save that and then it gets downloaded. Nice. So yeah, that was my tutorial for Pixlr. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!